Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted calendar events on your iPhone. If your events are missing, just follow these simple steps to restore them. So let's get started. First of all, open the settings on your phone and tap on the Apple ID. Select iCloud option and scroll down to calendars. Make sure calendar is turned on. If it's turned off, turn it on to sign your events. Then open a web browser like Safari and go to iCloud. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. Tap the menu icon, three lines or dots, and select data recovery option here. Select the data recovery option, then find the restore calendar option and scroll down and find the most recent backup and restore them. Wait for the restoration to complete, then open the calendar app in your phone. Calendar, yeah. If events are still missing, close the app and reopen it. Ensure you are connected to the internet and proper signing. Check mail accounts for other calendars. Go to the settings and scroll down, select mail option. Tap mail accounts and check all linked accounts. Make sure calendar is turned on for each account. If needed, turn it off, then on again to refresh the sync. By following these steps, your deleted calendar's event should be restored. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.